Hello, class 7. This is the continuation of your chapter number 3, that is adjectives and degrees of comparison. In the last video, I have completed till adjectives, its kinds, and how to form adjectives from nouns by adding suffix and prefix. Till there we have completed. Now let's start a new topic, that is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. What happens? Adjectives, they change in to form to show comparison. They change in form to show comparison. Alright. They have 3 degrees of comparison, namely positive, comparative and superlative. So how many degrees of comparisons we have? 3. That is positive, comparative and superlative. What happens in this positive degree? The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. So when is this positive degree used? When no comparison is made. Like I am telling he is young, he is old. So in this way, he is brave. These are the examples of positive degree. When there is no comparison, we are just telling about someone or something. What happens in this comparative degree? Comparative, we can get compare. Now we are doing comparison. Comparative degree is used when two persons or things are compared. Remember this. This comparison is done between two person or things. Like suppose you can see this example, Suresh and Ram both are there. There are two person, Suresh and Ram. What we are telling about Suresh, that Suresh is younger than Ram. It means Suresh is younger than Ram, means Ram is old. You can see the second example as well. Hina is more intelligent than any other girl in the class. What you have to see, that first of all we have to use the second form, that is comparative degree form. Then we use then with the comparative degrees of an adjective. This then word will be there. Alright, in the second example, if you see, the word other is used here to show that Hina, in comparison to other girls, is more intelligent. So we are comparing Hina with rest of the other girls. Other girls is taken as one group and Hina is taken as one group. So again you can see there are only comparison done between two. Then see, the word other shows that she is not included among other girls considered as one group. So Hina is taken on, like we are doing comparison between Hina and rest of the girls, and that rest of the girls is taken as one group. Alright. So again the comparison is done between two only. Now see the next thing. But we cannot use then when we write Hina is more intelligent of the other girls. If we are writing in this way, we can't use then. Now the third degree of comparison is superlative degree. Means you are super. The superlative degree. The superlative degree is used when more than two person or things of the same class are compared. Alright, so it is used when more than two person or things of same class are compared. See the example, he is the youngest in the family. It means no one is as young as him in the family. Now see here, more than two person in the family are being compared. The superlative degree has been used. So when we are comparing between two, we will use comparative degree. And if we have to compare one person with more than two people, then superlative degree is used. One thing more that you should see is that article the is used with the superlative degree. The will be used before the superlative degree when we say the highest, the shortest, the longest, in this way. Understood? You can see the example: the shortest, the highest, the most courageous. We do not use double superlative. We never use double superlative. Most is a superlative degree. So if we are writing most, tallest, it is wrong. We can't use two superlative together. See this: most, tallest, most, brightest are incorrect. They are not correct. Alright. Now see, a plain superlative can be made emphatic by using intensifiers such as very, much and by far. If you have to give more emphasis now, it is said that you can use very, much, by far. You can use these words in place of using double superlatives. See the example: he is very best. He is the very best of all the dancers in school. So in place of using he is the most best of, it's better, actually that is incorrect. So you can't use most best. The correct way to write this is he is the very best of all the dancers in the school. Understood? Now see, some adverbs can also be used. You can see here adverbs such as easily, decidedly, undoubtedly are sometimes used before the superlative. So sometimes these words are also added before the superlative. You can see the example: this is undoubtedly the best hotel in the city. So we are telling it is best, like among every hotel it's the best. Got it? Now remember, only adjectives of quality have degree of comparison. With qualities only, there will be degrees of comparison. Now see exercise F. What we have to do here? Filling the blanks with the correct degree of comparison of the adjectives. You have to use the correct degree of comparison with the adjectives. See the first one. Ramu is the dash boy in the class. Tallest. Why we have used the superlative degree? First of all, see, the is there. Then we are comparing Ramu with rest of the whole class. More than two. So it is that is why tallest, or you can say superlative degree, is used here. Then see the second one. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Again the same thing is applied here. The is there and we know that Mount Everest is the highest. Alright. Then see the next one. These new bulbs are brighter than the old one. Why we have used the comparative degree? First of all, see, then is there. Can you see then? Then new bulbs are compared with the old ones. So two things are compared. So comparative degree is used here. Then see the fourth one. Though he is young, we are just telling about him. We are not comparing him with anything. So positive degree will be used. See here. First of all, read the whole sentence. Though he is younger, Ramu is cleverer than his elder boy. So we are comparing to he and Ramu. So we have to use the comparative degree. Here young becomes younger and clever become cleverer. You can see why we have used comparative degree. We are comparing two people and then is also there. So that is why comparative degree is used here. Now see the fifth one. Reema loves to follow the latest fashion trends. Latest is the new, like the new. So superlative, and of course the is there. So we have used the superlative degree. Then see the sixth one. Can you name the longest river in India? Of course, again the is there. So we have used a superlative degree, and we are asking, sorry, uh, the is there, so superlative degree is used. Then seventh, Hari is a hard working boy. We are not comparing Hari with anyone, so positive degree will be used here. Then see the eighth one, my mother looked beautiful in her pink sari. Again, we are not comparing her with anything, so simple positive degree will be used, beautiful. Then see the ninth one, Dhoni is the. Again, you can see the is used here. The is used when superlative degree is there. And we are comparing Dhoni with the rest of the whole team. We are comparing Dhoni with rest of the other teammates. So, superlative degree, most important. 10th, yesterday was the coldest day of the season. So, again, we are comparing that day with the rest of the other days of the season. And again, the is used here. So, coldest. I'm repeating the answers again. First is tallest, second is highest, third is brighter, fourth is younger and cleverer, fifth is latest, sixth is longest, seventh is hardworking, eighth is beautiful, ninth is most important, 10th is coldest. Pause this video for some time and write the correct spellings. Now see here, how can we form comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives? How can we form it? See, we can form by adding ER and EST to the positive degree. If we add ER, it becomes comparative degree, and when we add EST, it becomes superlative degree. See, sweet becomes sweeter, superlative it becomes sweetest, small becomes smaller, smallest, tall becomes taller, tallest. Then how can we add? See, there are many forms by which we can make them comparative and superlative degree. Now see here, by adding only R and ST when the positive degree ends in E. Remember, when it is ending in E, we can just add R and E and ST. Like there's already E, so we don't need another ER and EST. We just need R and ST. So brave becomes braver, bravest. Fine become finer, finest. White become whiter, whitest. Now see the third one. When the positive ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, we double the final consonant and then add ER, EST. See, this is ending by a consonant like G, T and D, and before it you can see a vowel A. So what we do, we double the final consonant, whatever is the final, like here it is G. So we double it and then we add ER and EST, like it becomes BIG. We'll double the G, it becomes this, and we add ER and then we will add EST, so it will be superlative degree. So big become bigger, biggest. Hot become hotter, hottest. Sad becomes sadder, saddest. Then see, when the positive ends in Y and has a consonant before Y, we change Y into I and then we add ER and EST. See, it is ending with Y, 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 and before it, can you find consonant? S, P, Z and H. All these are consonants. So what we do, first of all, we will change Y into I and then we will add ER and EST. So easy become easier, easiest, like it was easy, EASY. We remove this, it become EASI, and then we will add ER or we will add EST. Understood? So it become easy, become easier, easiest. Happy become happier, happiest. Lazy become lazy, laziest. Wealthy become wealthier and wealthiest. Now see, by placing more and most before positives to form comparative and superlative. There are certain words in which all these rules are not applicable. So what we add more and most. In comparative we add more, and in superlative we add most. So courageous become more courageous, most courageous. Industrious become more industrious, most industrious. Alright, so these are the ways by which we can form comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives. Alright, so I'm doing it till here. Actually, there's a exercise that is given on the next page that is related to these formation of comparative and superlative degrees. Let's do that, and we will do this video till that exercise only. See this exercise that is given on page number 26, that is exercise G. What you have to do, these words are given, you have to write the comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives. Alright, so see the first one. In first there are 4 words: great, short, bright, long. So great, you just add er and est. So great become greater and greatest. Short become shorter, shortest. Bright become brighter, brightest. Long become longer, longest. Then see the second one. These are ending with E. So what we will do, we will just add R to comparative degree and ST to superlative degree. So large will become larger, largest. Strange will become stranger, strangest. Wise will become wiser, wisest. Wide will become wider, widest. Now see the third one. What rule we will apply here? You can see it is ending with Y. So we will remove Y with I, and what we will do? We will add ER and EST. So see, if it is HEAVY, we have to remove Y. What it will become? HEAVIER, heavier. So heavy will become heavier, heaviest. Merry will become merrier, merriest. Dirty will become dirtier, dirtiest. Ugly will become uglier, ugliest. Alright, don't worry. At the end of this video, I will show you a page where I have written all these answers. You can write it from there also. Then see the fourth one. What is there? Which rule you have to apply? That third one, where you have consonant at the end and with a consonant preceded by it, you have to double the final thing. Means mad will become MA. You have to double the last word and you have to add ER and MADDEST in this way. So mad will become madder, maddest. Thin will become thinner, thinnest. Fat will become fatter, fattest. Sad will become sadder, saddest. Now what you have to do in the fifth one? You have to add more and most. So famous will become more famous, most famous. Active will become more active, most active. Popular will become more popular, most popular. Suitable will become more suitable, most suitable. Let's see the next thing. That's a very short thing. Let's do this also. Irregular comparison. The comparative and superlative forms of some adjectives are not formed from positive degree. You have to change the words. And this is very important. Good and well will become better, best. We don't say gooder and goodest. We say good, better, best. Then bad will become worse and worst. Little will become less, lesser, and then least. Much and many will become more, most. Late will become later, later, last, latest. Far will become farther, farthest. So these are some irregular comparison in which the comparative and superlative degree are not formed by using the words of positive degree. Now I will show you the answers of this G exercise. See this. Please correct one thing here. GREATEST, it will be GREATEST. That only one word I forgot to write here. So please correct that, okay. Great will become greater, greatest in this way. The spelling is a little bit wrong. Just correct this. GREATEST it will be. Rest all are correct. Alright. Pause it for some time and write it. This is for the fifth one. Again pause it for some time and write the correct things. I am doing it till here. In the next video I will start with the correct use of some adjectives. That is your next topic. Bye and take care.